What if I told you you can start making money online using free AI tools? No skills, no investment, just smart tools. Let's break down 3 beginner-friendly AI tools that can actually make you money in 2026. These AI tools are perfect for beginners, students, freelancers, or anyone who wants to earn online. And yes, all of them have free versions, so you can start today with 0 investment. Let's jump into tool number 1. First is ChatGPT, your all-in-one AI assistant. You can use it to write content, scripts, captions, or even business ideas in seconds. People are using ChatGPT to earn money through freelancing, blogging, and YouTube. Tool number 2 is Canva AI, design workspace, colorful templates, modern UI animation. It lets you create thumbnails, social posts, presentations, and even videos. No design skills needed. Just type what you want, and Canva does the rest. Tool number 3, CapCut AI. This tool helps you edit videos, remove backgrounds, and add captions automatically. I get it. Perfect for faceless creators who want professional videos fast. These 3 AI tools can literally change how you earn online. And remember, you don't need money, experience, or skills to start. You just need the right tools and smart action. Subscribe to CN Tech Flow for more AI tools and money-making tips.